The automation here allows us to produce thousands of microfiber cloths every hour, meeting global demand. The journey begins with two key polymers, polyester for strength and polyamide for softness. Manufacturers use either virgin materials or recycled plastics, supporting both performance and sustainability. The polymers are carefully measured and blended to achieve the desired microfiber properties.
Inside the extruder, heat transforms solid pellets into a uniform molten polymer mixture. The molten material is forced through spinnerets, creating continuous filament strands. These emerging filaments are incredibly fine, much thinner than conventional textile fibers. The filaments are stretched and aligned, dramatically reducing their diameter and increasing strength. Microfiber can be 1 denier or less, while human hair measures around 20 denier. Thousands of ultra-fine filaments are twisted together to form durable microfiber yarn. The finished yarn is wound onto spools, ready for the next manufacturing stage. High-performance cleaning cloths often use bicomponent fibers designed for later splitting. Splitting creates microscopic wedges and channels that dramatically improve cleaning efficiency.
One common method is alkali deweighting, where chemicals separate incompatible polymer components. Mechanical splitting uses powerful water jets to divide and entangle the fibers. Thermal methods exploit different shrinkage behaviors, causing fibers to split naturally. The resulting microchannels trap dust, grease, moisture, and even microscopic contaminants. Next, the yarn enters warp knitting machines to become a functional textile structure. Warp knitting provides excellent durability, dimensional stability, and absorbency for cleaning applications.
Terry weave fabrics are the most common choice for general-purpose cleaning cloths.
Waffle weave structures reduce friction while efficiently collecting and retaining water. Suede microfiber offers a low-pile surface ideal for delicate electronics and lenses. Before coloring, the fabric undergoes pre-treatment to remove wrinkles and impurities. Bleaching ensures consistent fabric quality and prepares fibers for uniform dye absorption. The fabric then enters hot dye baths, where color penetrates deep into the fibers. Multiple washing stages remove excess dyes and finishing chemicals from the material. Some microfiber fabrics are sanded to achieve an even softer, lint-free texture. Heat setting locks in fabric dimensions, ensuring consistent weight, width, and performance. Finished fabric rolls are cut into specific sizes for cloths, towels, and mops. Edge sealing prevents fraying and linting while improving product durability. Advanced cameras inspect every product for defects, color variation, and inconsistencies. After packaging, microfiber cloths are shipped worldwide, ready for professional cleaning applications.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.